The Common Core Speaking and Listening Standards.
It is important to participate in discussions. A way you can do that is so that you can be able to prove that you know what you're talking about and can prove that you can show evidence that you know what you read.
You'll want to work with different people. So, like, you don't want to choose your best friend every time. Like, try to branch out to people you don't usually talk to.
You need to be prepared during discussions, so come ready, so you already read the text or you even took notes so you know what you're talking about.
You want to establish goals. So, like, if you're in a group project, you have to go over, like, what you're getting done that day, or even in an individual project, you want to know what you're getting done that day.
Show you're engaged by talking and answering questions or even asking questions.
You want to connect topics to real life. It'll help you understand it better if you connect the topic you're working on in class to, like, your real life.
Respond to different perspectives, so you want to be able to talk to different people and be able to voice your opinion.
You want to find points of agreement/disagreement. So if a student or Mr. Higdon's talking, you want to find points that you agree with or that you don't agree with.
The first picture, where the girl's raising her hand, that's showing that you're participating in a discussion.
And the picture where there's 3 students working together, that shows that, like, different people can work together.
Common Core Speaking and Listening Standard 2 by Brendan Shevlin. So what is Speaking and Listening Standard 2? The basics of Speaking and Listening Standard 2 are to integrate multiple and diverse sources into your presentation, which is basically using a wide variety of sources. You need to establish that the sources are credible, factual, and accurate, which some of the sources that are credible, factual, and accurate are like .edu, .gov, or .org. You integrate multiple ways of presenting your information using visual presentations, oral presentations, and quantitative presentations. Some examples are, for visual presentations, include slideshows, pictures, and videos. Oral presentations, speaking, and quantitative presentations, charts, graphs, and maps.
For Standard 3, you want to evaluate speaker's argument. So to show you're paying attention to the speaker, you want to evaluate what they're saying, like give them pointers or like criticism.
And then you need to be able to identify false reasoning and evidence. So you should be able to know when something's wrong or be able to show evidence to prove what you're saying. And the picture shows people that are listening and trying to like evaluate people.
It shows they're like tuned into the speaker.
You will organize and present information to your listener in a logical sequence and style that are appropriate to your task and audience.
Here are some examples. This one would be if you're at work and you're doing a presentation to your boss. So it would be more professional and have more organization. This one would be to an elementary class. As you can see, it's got a cute dog on it, and it's very simple with little simple words.
The next standard is to make use of digital media, textual, audio, visual, graphical, in presentations to enhance understandings of finding, reasoning, and evidence, and to add interest.
You could have either examples for a presentation on cattle breeding or care.